Section 9 of the Corporate Law Act is a cornerstone of corporate accountability. This section states that a corporation can be held liable for offences committed by its employees or agents. This is a significant provision as it recognises that a corporation's actions are not separate from the actions of its people. If an employee acting within the scope of their employment commits an offence, the corporation itself can be held responsible. This means a corporation can face penalties, fines, or other legal consequences, even if no individual within the corporation is specifically charged. This principle ensures that corporations are held accountable for their actions and discourages any attempts to evade responsibility by hiding behind a corporate veil. The implications of Section 9 are far-reaching. It underscores the importance of establishing clear ethical guidelines and compliance procedures within corporations. Companies must implement robust internal controls to prevent illegal activities. They must also provide adequate training to their employees to ensure awareness of legal obligations. Failure to do so can expose a corporation to significant legal risks. Section 9 serves as a powerful reminder that corporations, just like individuals, are expected to operate within the bounds of the law and are held accountable for their actions. Section 10 of the Corporate Law Act deals with the severity of false statements. It states that providing false or misleading information in any document or statement related to corporate matters is an offence. This provision aims to uphold transparency and integrity in all corporate dealings. Whether it's a financial statement, an annual report, or any other official document, accuracy is paramount. Any attempt to misrepresent facts or conceal information can have serious legal consequences. This section is particularly relevant in today's business environment, where information is readily available and scrutinized. Investors, regulators, and the public rely on accurate and truthful information to make informed decisions. Any attempt to mislead these stakeholders can erode trust and have a detrimental impact on a corporation's reputation. Section 10 acts as a deterrent against fraudulent activities and promotes a culture of honesty and transparency in the corporate world. It emphasizes that honesty is not just an ethical obligation but a legal requirement. Section 4, Sections 11 and 12, streamlining justice and adapting to change. Sections 11 and 12 of the Act focus on procedural efficiency and adaptability. Section 11 empowers the court to try certain offences summarily. This means that less serious offences can be dealt with more swiftly and efficiently, without the need for a full-blown trial. This provision helps to streamline legal proceedings and reduce the burden on the court system. It also allows for quicker resolution of disputes, which is beneficial for both the parties involved and the broader business environment. Section 12 grants the power to amend the schedule of the Act. This is crucial for keeping the legislation relevant and up to date with the ever-evolving corporate landscape. As new business practices emerge and existing regulations require adjustments, this section allows for necessary modifications to be made to the Act. This ensures that the Corporate Law Act remains a dynamic and effective tool for regulating corporate behaviour. Section 5, Sections 13 and 14, Order and Proof, Essential Legal Principles. Sections 13 and 14 introduce crucial legal principles related to evidence and legal proceedings. Section 13 establishes the presumption as to order. This means that in legal proceedings, it is presumed that all necessary steps in a corporate process were taken in the correct order, unless proven otherwise. This relieves the burden of proof from the party asserting the order of events. This principle promotes efficiency in legal proceedings by preventing unnecessary disputes over procedural technicalities. It also provides a degree of certainty for corporations by assuming the regularity of their internal processes, unless proven otherwise. Section 14 outlines specific instances where the burden of proof shifts to the defendant. For certain offences, the prosecution does not have to prove every element of the offence. Instead, the burden lies on the defendant to prove their innocence. This provision reflects the complexities of corporate law and the challenges of proving certain offences. It ensures a fair balance between the rights of the accused and the interests of justice. Section 6, Sections 15 and 16. Safeguarding actions and moving forward. Sections 15 and 16 wrap up this portion of the Corporate Law Act by addressing legal protection and the Act's application. Section 15 is crucial in providing a safety net for individuals acting in good faith. It states that no legal action can be taken against anyone for any act done in good faith in accordance with the Act. This provision encourages individuals to carry out their duties without fear of reprisal, even if their actions are later found to be flawed or incorrect. This protection is crucial for fostering a culture of compliance and accountability. Finally, Section 16 focuses on the repeal of certain enactments and its impact on ongoing matters.